Alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you, Aisha?
I'm fine. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good as well. Okay, so can I have report for yesterday's question?
Should I do the polynomial ones first?
No. I just want you to confirm that have you done those? Like, have you tried to solve them?
Yeah.
Okay, all of them was done.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes.
That's great. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So now I'm writing one question which is belonging to the finding the sum, difference, or product of the rational expression, because that was the topic for yesterday. So we're gonna moving that topic for today's class as well. So what I'm going to do is, now what I have made you learn about. The first one was solving the simple constant as a denominator by making their LCM. Then we move towards like solving one variable as taking their LCM. Then we move towards solving two variables as their LCM. Now we're going to make three rational expression, and how we're going to solve this actually we are doing in this class. Okay, so what I discussed in the yesterday's class, as like for example it was 1 minus x plus 1 divided by, just for example. So these were two rational expression, and what we have done, we just taken out their LCM, and whatever the process ahead, we moved that. Now this time, what I'm doing, I am adding one more expression, which can be 1 divided by z, or it can be any other variable. Okay, and how we gonna proceed that? How we gonna make the LCM of three variables or four variables, or the constant or the variable, and so on? Okay, so okay,
Okay.
shall I make you understand from the beginning, from of this root as well? Like, now we have added 1 divided by z. So will it be clear to you, or we should solve this first?
Let's just solve this first.
Okay. So now can you tell me that, Aisha, what we're gonna do the step, which is the second step now?
Wait. Are they? Okay, I got it. So
Mm-hmm.
the second step is to make the major denominator,
Denominator, that is called
and
LCM.
because there's like no because they have no like similar multiples because they're variables, you write all three of them together,
Exactly. So
and
I
then
write X, Y, and Z, and then
what you do is on at the top you, because x multiplied by 1 is x, you got x, you
exactly,
multiply x by 1,
exactly.
so you
Mm-hmm.
write 1, and in the bracket you write y and z,
Very good, excellent. Then
and then you write, I'm just going to tell you what to write at the top, plus 1 into x and z,
okay,
plus 1 into y and x and y.
X and Y. Very good. Okay, so now we're gonna solve them ahead. So one gets multiplied with yz, so we get yz plus xz plus xy divided by x, y, and z. Now we're gonna see that which one is common, which one can be taken out as a common variable, which variable can be solved. Now, if you see the arrangement that like yz, xz, and xy, they have some sort of different arrangement. So if we arrange them, can we solve out by taking the common variable outside? So, okay, shall I raise the step at the top?
Yeah.
Okay, so now if I write x, y plus x, z, and then I'm writing y, z. So, which thing you see common in these two variables? Do you see any common thing?
The x.
Okay, so if I write x outside, so we have y plus z, and then we're gonna write as
Oh, sorry. And then plus
YZ.
okay.
What I've been thinking, that can be this variable be merged into this bracket one? Can it be merged? Like, see, YZ and this YZ, that looks kind of common, but I'm not getting exactly that how to merge them. Like, I really wanted to move only one variable outside and rest of the variables should be inside.
I you could have done y squared, but wouldn't that make it complicated?
No, but why I would make y square?
Because the two or you could do 2y plus 2z.
2y
Yeah, because
and 2 exactly. So you can write as 2x plus 2y plus 2z, like that. No. This term is not. It's not correct.
I was saying that instead of putting you could have done x at the outside and then 2y plus 2z. Z inside.
No, we cannot write, Aisha, because see, if we write 2y or 2x inside the bracket, so obviously it gets multiplied with x as well. It means that whatever is we are concerned inside the bracket, so obviously it will put effect on the x as well outside. So that trick is not going to work. So what you do is, I'm just simply writing x, y, z, because see, we see that everything in this term, or in the whether it is in the numerator or in the denominator, everything, it doesn't have any sense that they get cancelled as well. Do you see anything?
No.
No. So the answer would be, like, see, we cannot simplify it more, this expression, as we have already done. So the formula, or so the answer we got as x into y plus z plus yz divided by, like, what was the actual thing to make you understand about solving the three rational expression at the same time? Okay. So it doesn't matter that whatever the answer is lengthy or whatever the step we got out, but only the concept was to make you understand about the solving the three rational expression. Fine, and that was a general question. Now we moving towards to the actual question. How we're gonna solve when we are facing the three rational expression at the same time? Like, if I write 1 divided by x minus y, and I write 1 divided by x plus y, and if I write 2x divided by x squared minus y squared. So now, what we are going to do with this question. Now, see one thing, Aisha, just remember one thing, that your square form, your higher degree polynomial, is not supposed to come as in the major denominator, which is so-called LCM. You need to simplify first your the third denominator, which is x squared minus y squared, and this term you exactly familiar about that what we're gonna do ahead. X squared minus y squared.
Sorry. You did x plus. Could you do x plus y and x minus? Or does that not how you do this?
Okay, Asha, I'm so sorry, there was a call. Okay, so now, yeah, what you were saying?
I said, would you do x squared? Would you do x plus y and x minus y?
X plus y and x minus y.
Or no?
Very good. So we're going to write as 1 divided by x minus y, 1 divided by x plus y, and then I'm going to write as 2x divided by 1 time in x and 1 time in plus and 1 time in minus. Okay. So now what we are going to do is now we're gonna make the same denominator or major LCM, major denominator, by looking the same denominator put at the bottom as a LCM. So what we're gonna do is we see x minus y and x plus y are they got similar term in the third rational expression. Do you see that?
Okay.
So what we do is, apart from multiplying them, see, when we are going to multiply them, so the term will be squared. And I told you already that the square doesn't come in the denominator term. Okay, so what we are going to do, instead of writing their square, we would write the similar term, which is actually x minus y and x plus y. Did you get it now? Because see, there is again the term is coming which we multiply one variable with something, so the actual variable we should get. So we know that x and x minus y are the term. If I multiply 1 with x minus y, so I would get x minus y. Okay, and the second condition you need to remember is that the square doesn't come in the denominator. The square doesn't come in the denominator at all. We need to simplify first and then we're gonna make it LCM. Got it?
Wait, so we put them both in the denominator because they were like the common ones?
They will be the common one. Exactly, they will be the common one. So now the denominators are done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna write each and every by solving the rational expression of each term, and then we're going to write ahead. Now x minus y and x minus y are the same. So the next thing is, you see this first expression. You see this first expression. Yeah. X minus y.
X minus y and x minus y is the same. So
exactly.
You do 1 and
yes,
in the bracket you put x plus y.
Okay. You're going to write 1.
And x plus y.
Just wait, Aisha, I'm just coming. Just okay, Aisha. So now x minus y and x minus y, they do get multiplied. So we got 1, and rest of the thing which we did not get is
x plus y.
Exactly, we're going to write x plus y. Very good. And then now you need to be careful about the operational sign as well. So that one is minus sign, that one is your plus sign. So you're going to write minus. Now x plus y and x plus y, they do are same. So what is the left thing is the variable which is left behind is 1 into x minus y. Now x plus y and x plus y, they are the same. And x minus y and x minus y, they do are the same. See, we are going to solve our third rational expression. So you see x plus y and x minus y, they both are same. So what we need to write, if x minus y and x plus y, they both are same in the denominator, but what is exactly not same, that is the numerator. Do you see 2x?
Yeah.
So you're gonna write plus 2x. Did you understand this step?
Yes.
Okay. So now, okay, shall I erase this now?
Yeah.
Okay. So you seems kind of confused, Aisha. If there is any question, you can ask me.
No. Sorry,
Okay.
no, the thing is that I just was confused for a moment what you did there, but then I realized that the x and x minus y both were in the denominator, so you just put 2x.
Exactly, because see, the answer is 1. And whatever the answer become by multiplying them, that one is supposed to get multiplied with the numerator. So 1 gets multiplied with 2x, so we get 2x.
Yeah.
Yes? Yeah. So
Yes.
now what we're going to do is, yes, Aisha.
Oh no, continue. I thought that you were asking me what we're gonna do.
Okay. So now I'm just writing the next step over here. Now I'm going to write as, now this one is going to be solved. So I'm writing as x plus y. Now see, I'm opening every bracket. I am solving everything, and I'm writing in the sequence wise. So I'm writing x plus y and then minus x. Now see, minus and minus will be plus. So you're going to write plus y, and then you're going to write 2x gets divided by x plus y, x minus y. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now let me erase this step. Now see, minus x and plus x, they do get cancelled. So what is the thing left behind is y and 2x. Now see, one coefficient over here and one coefficient over here. It means we're going to write as 2x plus 2y divided by x plus y and x minus y. Now, what is the common number or the common variable in the numerator?
The 2.
Exactly, we're going to write 2 outside. Then we're going to write x plus y divided by x plus y, x minus y. Now, you see anything? Do you see anything which get cancelled?
The x plus y and the x plus
Exactly. Now, the answer we are come up with is 2 divided by x minus y. That's your answer. 2 divided by x minus y. Okay?
Okay.
Now,
Wait, what I have a question. Is there, so what do you do? What do you do with the 2x at the end? Does it get cancelled?
What did I do with the 2x at the end?
Yeah, it was x plus y minus x plus y plus 2x, that one.
Okay. See, this 2x and this 2y. Okay, 2x plus 2y. Are you asking about this step?
Yeah.
Okay. See what I have done. First, you need to see this step in the numerator. This minus x and this plus, they got cancelled. Now, what I have done, I have just combined the 2x. Now, that is your 2x. See, this one, the left one is 1. Sorry,
Yeah.
it doesn't. This one, 2x, I wrote over here on my left hand side. And this 2y, how it has come, 1y gets added with 1y. So 2x plus 2y, they are done in this step. Did you understand this now?
Yeah.
Now these 2 and this 2, what I have done with these 2, I have taken one common number, that is 2 outside, and rest of the thing which is x plus y inside the bracket.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I got x plus y, and then in the down x plus y, they do get cancelled, and the rest answer is 2 divided by x minus y. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now I am moving to the question, which is quite difficult, but it will be really helping you ahead for solving the next question. So it's 2x squared divided by x, okay, x squared plus, no, leave it, it's minus 4. And then we're going to write x squared minus 4. And then we're going to write 1 divided by x plus 2. Now that's the question is coming in the same terms. The first rational expression, the second rational expression, and the third rational expression as well. So now, okay, can you tell me now, Aisha, what is the next step is coming ahead?
You have to find the major denominator.
No. Do you see
Oh no,
any
no,
higher
sorry.
degree of polynomial?
We have to get rid of this x. We have to get rid of the squares.
Exactly. Now, and how we can get rid of this?
We need to. Well, I think you could x squared. You can make 4 into 2 squared.
Exactly.
And then
very
you
good.
can do x plus y, and x minus y.
X squared to 2 squared minus x divided by x squared minus 2 squared, and that rest of the thing will be 1 divided by x plus 2.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm raising the question. Okay, so now you see that we are done with, now see, we got the actual form of the formula, which is x squared minus 2 squared. So it means that one time we're going to write x minus 2 and one time we're going to write x plus 2. So 2x squared divided by, okay, Aisha, can you solve yourself? You just need to tell me the exactly LCM of these three denominator. You just solve yourself and then just tell me the denominator, that which exactly the major denominator we're going to get after solving this.
Okay. I think the common denominator is still going, like the LCM is going to be x plus 2 and x minus 2.
Exactly, x minus 2 and x plus 2. So now, we're gonna move towards like, I would write as 2x squared. Sorry, I'm going to make the major denominator, which is x minus 2 and x plus 2. Now you see the first rational expression. Do you see the first fraction, which is 2x squared divided by 1 time x minus 2 and 1 time x plus 2. So it means that both denominators are the same. See, both denominators are coming as x minus 1, x plus 2. So we get 1. Now 1 gets multiplied with 2x. So we're going to write as 2x squared. Did you understand this step?
Yeah.
Okay, now put the minus sign. Now again, say in the second rational, can you tell me which exactly the number or the variable we're going to write after the minus sign?
We're going to write minus x.
Exactly, we're going to write x. Very good. And now we're going to put plus.
Do you put, no, sorry. And then you do plus 1 into x minus 2.
Exactly, x minus 2. Very good. So now we're going to solve this. So it would be 2x squared minus x plus x minus 2. Now you see x and minus x. They do get cancelled. So we are left with now the third step, which would be 2x squared minus 2. Now see, this 2 and this 2 has the same number. It means we're gonna take out the common number, which is 2. So how we are going to proceed that?
1 second, can I copy up the above and then?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
So now, the next step is I'm going to write as 2 into x squared minus 1 divided by x minus 1 and x minus 2 and x plus 2. Now tell me one thing that, okay, did you understand this step, Aisha? How I have written x squared minus 1? Because in place of 2 nothing comes, so it means for the sake of minus sign we're gonna put 1 in place of 2. You get it?
Yeah.
Okay, now what I'm going to do is can you see any more simplification over here?
No, I don't. No, the x. 1 second. The
Yes,
x
Aisha.
squared. Can you simplify the x squared?
We can, but like if we write the term, if we're going to repeat the same term like x squared and then 1 minus 1, and then it would be x minus 1 and then x plus 1, but x minus 1 and x minus, they are not going to get cancelled with the denominator. So yes, Aisha.
Oh, would you take? Oh no, they won't get cancelled. Okay, nothing.
Yeah. So the answer will be what? 2 into x squared. Yes.
Yeah. 2
into x squared minus 1.
Divided by x minus 2 and x plus 2.
X plus 2. Okay. Okay, now this time, now see, we almost have done the question of plus as well and the minus as well. Okay, but actually the topic was sum, difference, product of rational expression. Okay, and the further ahead we're gonna move with the division sign as well. So now this time, after simplifying the plus or the minus rational expression, we're gonna solve about the product question as well. So now this time, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a product question. I'm not going to put any plus or minus sign between the rational, okay, between the rational expression. But this time, I'm going to put multiply sign. Like, for example, I'm writing x plus 2 divided by x multiply with x minus 2 divided by x squared. Got it? Now this time, so this time we're gonna multiply like this. And now how we're gonna, okay, do you know the journal term of solving the solving the common fractions when we're gonna multiply them, but when we are facing to multiply them? So what is the actual step we're gonna move? Yes, Aisha.
Like when you're doing it with numbers.
Yeah, when we are, for example, I write a number 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 8. Now, how are we going to proceed this?
You multiply the one. Yeah, you multiply the numerator and the denominators.
Exactly. You're going to multiply the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the Denominator. Very good. So now, similarly, you're going to proceed this one as well. You're going to write x plus 2, x minus 2 divided by x cube. Okay, because see, x and x squared, they do get cancelled. Oh, sorry, they do get multiplied. So we have x cubed now. Now, x plus 2 and x minus 2. Can you solve this? You have to multiply x plus 2 and x minus 2.
1 second. Okay, yeah, what were you saying?
X plus 2 and x minus 2. You have to multiply.
So do you do x multiplied by x?
Which would be?
And x squared.
Okay. And then you're going to write
x multiplied by 2. And then you do plus mod. You do x.
Isn't it 2x minus 2x would come?
Yeah.
Then you're going to write plus 2x.
Yep.
And then you're going to write plus minus minus. So it would be 4. Now, x cubed. So, x, 2x, and 2x, they do get cancelled. So we are left with the term, which would be, did you understand this step, Aisha?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so now, x squared minus 4 divided by x cubed. Now, if you see x squared minus 4, we just have a kind of, what do we got? We exactly got this term, which is x plus 2. Obviously, when we are about to solve this, again, the term will become like this, which I have circled, which is x plus 2 and x minus 2. So obviously, we have reached the decision, we have reached the answer, which is actually x squared minus 4 divided by x cubed. Okay? Yeah. So now, I'm going to write one more question, which is x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 3y into 4x squared minus 9y squared divided by xy plus 2y. Okay. So obviously we need to multiply them. So what we are going to do now, Aisha, I would suggest you to perform the direct steps. Like, see, 4x squared minus 9y squared. We know the positive square root of 4 as well. We know the positive square of 9 as well. So rather than mentioning in the further step, we're gonna move directly into the step that we're gonna make them. We're gonna make the square, and then we would write as 1 time plus and 1 time in minus. Okay. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I need to write x plus 2. Now, from where x plus 2 has come?
The
first one, the first rational expression. Okay. And then I'm just writing one new term, and you need to focus at what is it actually. I'm writing 2x squared minus 3y squared. I'm writing it. Did you understand what I have done?
1 second. 2x minus 3y. You. Oh yeah, so you've done 4x squared become 2x squared, and 9y squared has become 3y squared.
Exactly. So now what we are going to do is I'm going to solve my denominator as well, which is 2x minus 3y. Okay. And now, can you see any similar thing in the second denominator? Do you see any similar thing in the denominator?
The y.
Yes.
The y.
X plus y plus 2y. So you need to write as x. Sorry. You need to write as x plus 2 into y, because see, this y and this y, or you can write y on the right hand side as well. Sorry, on the left hand side as well. You can write as y into x plus 2. That's done. Now we're gonna proceed the next step, which is what? We need to solve this second one expression in one time negative and one time positive. So we're gonna write x plus 2, and then we write as 2x minus 3y, 2x plus 3y divided by 2x minus 3y and y into x plus 2. Did you get it? See, this step is actually 2x plus 3y. Okay?
Yeah.
So 2x and 2x minus 3y and 2x minus 3, they do get cancelled. Now x plus 2 and x plus 2, they do get cancelled. Now what we are left behind is 2x plus 3 divided by y. That is our answer. Okay, that is going to be our answer. So I'm just okay. Have you copied all of this?
Yeah, I'm just copying down the last one.
Okay.
Okay.
So now the answer is 2x plus 3 divided by y. That's your answer. Done?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now shall I give you one question which you can solve yourself?
Yeah.
That would be easy, okay? So it is x squared minus 49 multiplied with 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 7. 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 7. That's the kind. Now you can solve yourself. And do let me the answer.
Is there a denominator for x squared minus 49?
Exactly. If we don't have any denominator, so what we're gonna
Make
do
it
is
1.
exactly we make it 1. Aisha, you just solve this. I'm just coming in 2 minutes. Okay, I'm just coming.